What's going on, Pro Cutters? As you can see, we got her idling good now, thanks to Mike's RC Garage and the others who gave me the helpful tips to get this thing adjusted properly. With the valves set properly, I didn't even need to crack open the carburetor yet, but hey, a little bit more tuning will be in the future for sure. But for now, we're going to go ahead and replace this stock horn with some Amazon upgrades. And I've got some 125 decibel dual tone horns. So stick around. What I've done is I've taken the old horn and horn bracket off, and I've replaced it with a new horn bracket and the new horn, and I've got it bent and twisted to where it's out of the way, and I think it'll be somewhat protected from filling the horn with mud, and the horn is still facing down so it doesn't fill with rain. So I think that'll be a good spot for it. Now I've got to figure out a spot on the other side. Now the second horn is mounted, and I just need jumper wires from the two prongs over to the other two prongs, because it's a dual tone horn, so they both need to sound. Now I've got both of the horns wired up. You can see there's quite a difference between the stock little Roadrunner horn to these dual tone 125 decibel Amazon horns. And I don't know that I believe they're 125 decibels, but they're a heck of a lot louder than the stockers. What's going on, Pro Cutters? If I could get you to take a minute, not even, just a couple of seconds, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and share this video and all my videos with your friends and family members. Have a great day.